Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON V9. In this video I'll show you how to measure engine oil level. To measure engine oil level, firstly prepare cloth. And now take a look at the right side of engine compartment. Make sure that your car has been parked on flat surface for at least 15 minutes. This will allow engine oil to flow down to reservoir. Now remove the dipstick, clean it and place it back. Now remove it again and check oil level. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.